been up this little trail here before. I'm kind of curious as to where it goes or how far. A little skinny here. Normally I go up over there, but that's half the fun of the adventure. Let's see where we can go. Oh boy. So it kind of looks like, I'm just going to set that over because I'm pretty sure the kickstand won't work anyway. We've run into kind of a bit of a natural spring here, and I don't plan to go and get stuck in there, so try and get turned around. Part of me wonders if I could get up there and cut across. Still some mud there, but might be worth looking into if I can turn and get up there, which shouldn't be a problem. Loving the sound of the Yoshi on here. Sounds like a real bike now. Wow, that is just soft. I think with a little speed we could get up there. Well, turning around I noticed something kind of cool. Horse hoof and an old horseshoe. So kind of a neat little trail find, I suppose. Looks real old. All turned around. See if attempt number 2 works a little better or not. That is soft. Okay, we're up above that spring now. It looks like there is some mud there. Not sure if it's worth trying to get across or not. The smart thing would be to go have a look at it. Yeah, I hate mud. Like, more than anything, I hate mud, especially on a brand spanking new exhaust. I think I'll turn around and go back up the driveway. And we're all turned around again to avoid the mud. It is neat though. I might even be able to stay up high there and get around it. That could be all mud too though. This is where I love the 300L. I'm not too tall, I'm only 5'7", so being able to touch the ground on this thing actually makes a big difference. Oh, that's ice and mud. Ice and mud. Yep, more ice than mud. Okay. Yeah, that is its downfall a little bit. It's a little bit chunky for a dirt bike. And another neat little trail find. An antler. Pretty cool. Bye bye, little antler. Oh boy. Come on, traction. Stuck on a tree root. Oh, don't slide down there on me. Pretty sure this counts as technical. Oh, hitting the darn foot peg. I got my 4-ways going. Come on, traction. Let's go. All right. Oh man, I'm huffing and puffing like crazy here. That was a workout. Pretty cool to take the road less traveled and see where we end up. Oh man. Need a quick 5-minute catch my breath here. Whew. I think I have my breath back. Okie dokie here. That's very yucky looking mud. If I go up and kind of around that ledge there on my 2-stroke, if I give her enough oomph, I sometimes can climb up there. I've made it up a few times, but I don't think I dare try that on the 300L just yet. That's soft. We're stuck on the belly plate here. That's okay. Should be able to get along here now. Oh yeah, we're teetering. Teeter-totter. Come on. Woo. Yep. Sure is dry. Okay. Backhand, my bike's gonna sink down in there. Should be able to get along here. And okay, I think we can go up and around there. Look at this. There's our little neighborhood porcupine. Hey, pal. What are you doing up here? came down here on the last video with the stock bike. I'm just kind of more so curious to see, with less back pressure and kind of less engine braking, if this goes smoother now than it did before. Because that is one thing with the stock exhaust, gives you a lot of back pressure. Whee! Oh, yep, bottomed it out again. I wouldn't say it's noticeably different on that kind of stuff for engine braking and kind of more free flowing with the exhaust, but on anything soft, like coming up here, is where it's really going to tell if it makes a difference. And it does seem better already, and this is even drier now than before. Yeah, kind of coasts a lot more now. I love the bark that this thing has now with that exhaust. It just feels more fun, and it's not an aggressive, gross, loud sound. It's a really nice tone to it. I am running it with the baffle in. I took the baffle out once and then it was pretty loud. Alright, hill climb. Keep left over here and it's not too soft. I say that as my front end washes away. I should be able to go down this really cool little steep. Oh, yep. It's a little steeper than I thought. That's okay. Handled it like a champ.